guys ever noticed your shocks are starting to wear out? Maybe they're just not performing the way that you would like to, or maybe the ride just isn't as nice as you'd like it to be. Well, stay tuned to this video, as today we're going to install a set of Falken 3.1 shocks on Zach's 2018 Wrangler JLU. Hey, what's going on, guys? Josh from TrailBuilt, and there's no doubt that shocks make a major difference in the performance, the quality ride, and the handling of your vehicle. And we're going to go through with you guys what the advantages are with the Falken performance shocks, what makes them better than some of the other ones out there, and that you can find them right on our website at trailbuiltoffroad.com. So with that said, let's go ahead and let's get started, because we're going to install them in here. We're going to take out the old Shadow shocks that have been in here for about a year now. Came with the Superlift suspension that Zach put in a while ago. So we're going to take the Shadow Series shocks out and put in the Falken Piggyback 3.1 Series Falken shocks. Let's go. So now that we have these Falken shocks installed in Zach's Jeep and took it for a ride, it is a night and day difference with how much better the Jeep actually rides. Not only does it absorb the bumps better, but even in cornering or at highway speeds, you can tell the Jeep doesn't want to float around as much as it was before with the older shocks on here. These Falken shocks are a monotube shock, which does help keep the fluid separated from the gas that's in there. If you guys know anything about twin tube shocks, it does allow the gas and oil to mix together, which causes cavitation after a while. Once cavitation starts, you start getting what's called shock fade, and the shocks don't work properly or like they should without that cavitation in there. So you get a much better ride when that gas and oil stays separated. Not to mention, these Falken shocks are designed and dampened specifically for the Jeep models or whatever vehicle you're purchasing the Falken shocks for. They do specifically design those shocks for the weight of your vehicle and the application that you're putting them on. So such a major difference just changing over the shocks with the ride quality. Plus, even being that they are piggyback shocks, you do get that much more extra fluid carrying capacity, which really helps in that heat dissipation. Heat generated throughout the shock is really what causes that shock fade and causes your shocks not to perform like they should. So to check out these Falken shocks, pricing, availability, and all of that good information, you can check them out right on our website at trailbuiltoffroad.com, or click the link above me here. All right, guys, well, that's all that we have for you today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe, the little bell next to it, thumbs up to like the video, and as always, we appreciate all of you for watching and all of your support. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.